and welcome back to the channel. Special for Talofa to all Ainga members. It is Sunday morning here in Samoa, a very gloomy Sunday morning. Um, it's been raining since last night. As a result, we thought might as well cancel the umu. And we're gonna do a saka. So saka's okay. Yeah, food is food. But every now and then we'll change it up a bit. But just not feeling it in this weather. Um, and as a result, we've woken up late as well. We got up around 6:30, so it's actually about quarter to seven now. So I think Saka is probably the best option now. So yeah, not too good on my end, but this rain, yeah, it's not it's not vibing. But hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. But yeah, we're gonna get started now. All right, so we're gonna do the saka, and then do a luau ulo. I think we might have to fasua aia. My wife said e le ulu ia le pe maia e pe skai di fai ai inga le fasua. So we might do that. And then Amory Ekau, she's gonna work on the subsuey. I know some of you guys mentioned in the comments you hardly see my wife. That's because on Sunday mornings she has to prep the kids to get ready for church. That's very hard, and that's why it's mostly me cooking. But yeah, we're gonna get cracking on the taro now. fam, so it's 8 o'clock now. I've only got the luau left. Saka's almost done. Got the luau, the luia, and another fish to cow. So we use the electric oven for the fish. Lake albacore, but the rest of it, so we should be done by 9 o'clock, which gives us time to hit the church. right. All right, fam. So, change of plans. We've got the umakao le paka le ngau kangu foil. So the fish we did in butter, that's already foiled in the background there. This fish here, um, my wife said it's in albacore. One of her friends from work, Anna, shout out to Anna, called for her to come pick it up. Face, yeah, come so you can see we've got a oleulu. Yeah, mangai me pio ki pinga winga koi mari. So now I think enough also ko fai rather than felisua wa le la felua. Le la pingi kamera fa fai ai ave kao kongo le oving. So that's why we got the coconut cream ready. And we're gonna put it here. Some black pepper. Ooh. All right, fam, it's looking beautiful. Gonna foil it up and send it in the oven. Alright, so oven has been preheated to about 200, and now we're gonna pop it in. Sheesh. Alright, fam, so the luau left after this. Then we'll head to Saungelu Loku to get ready for church. So I think we're pretty much done for today. The luau will be fairly quick. I can go shower and then come back and check on it. Fish is in the oven, saka's ready. So I think we're pretty much done for today. My wife is working on the chop suey, and also the kids are already heading to church. So all in all, I think we're doing pretty good. The time is about 9:30ish. A little bit late, but it's okay. It's a rainy day, so I can be forgiven. But yeah, make sure to grab yourself some merch from samoanfarmer.com. Big thank you to everyone who's been purchasing our Humble Beginnings t-shirt. That was a big hit, and it's such a blessing to have you guys purchase some of our Crave Growth brands. So thank you again for supporting the channel, guys. But apart from that, we are done, and yeah, we'll just check on the luau after. But I think I'll go ahead and take a shower now and get ready for church. Alright fam, so I just thought might as well turn down the temperature a bit for the fish before we head to church, and that way we can still cook it as we're still going to church. So got it at 200. It's going to bring it down between 150 and 100, and that'll make sure that it still continues to cook as we're at church. Also forgot, guys, pretty sad news the past 48 hours, I think 72 hours, with the passing of Fiji, George Fiji Veikoso, one of probably my greatest reggae idol growing up. So big condolences to his family during this tough time. It's not easy, but you know, Fiji touched a lot of our lives, especially mine, with his music. I've been through some troubling times, but that music got me through. So rest in peace to the legend Fiji, guys. But just gonna check on the luau before I go. Oh jeez, look at that! Look at that birdie. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Gonna head to church. All right, guys. Heading to church now. We'll be back. And we're back, family. Just finished church not too long ago, about 10 minutes ago. So I'm here now in the kitchen, just waiting on the fish. We'll check it in we'll give it 10 more minutes, and then we'll check it. But I think it's ready now. We'll just check it now. Sheesh. Oh man, smells amazing. There we go, baby. That's the one. Gee. That's exactly what I was looking for, man. Praise the Lord. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at the new, man. Can we just break off a piece? Really nice. You know, could have used some onion. Oh man, really good. All right, so just checking on the other fish. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, the butter. Ooh. See that butter dripping down there? Juices and juices on juices. Let's go. Fans, so we're pretty much done. We're going to set up the results, and I should have it with you in about 5 minutes. So we're about to show you the results, coming to the end of our episode. Hope you've enjoyed it so far. But yeah, we'll show you the results now. On this side, we've got the chop suey that I was telling you my wife was making using the large lialias. And then we've got our luau ulu. And then we've got our fish that we did with coconut cream, which is like a whaiaia. A bit of salt on there as well. And then our saka. So the other fish we did was for Uncle, but the big fish I did inside the big tray is for all of us. So it is our tornai for today, fam. Uh, Looking very good. I actually want to eat now, but I don't want to eat. Really, I'd mako fali. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's content. I do enjoy making it. It is an honor for me to make content for you guys every Saturday and Sunday. Sometimes none at all, but it's depending on the schedule. But if you've enjoyed our content today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and also if you'd like to support our channel, grab yourself a shirt. They're from our usual merchandise on samoanfarmer.com. But thank you again for the support, and I really appreciated the love, guys, for our channel and how much we've grown. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, have a great week. Stay safe. God bless. See you guys soon.